Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Ham here, and it is absolutely great to see you here this morning. And if you watched the interview last night, you know today is about an awesome software that is called the Article Factory Pro. You really is like a factory for articles, okay? All right, so it is working for Windows only, and it has like pre-built content in there, like 15,000 of them already. So I'm going to show you what that is in a minute, okay? Alright, so if you're in a hurry, make sure you come here at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, let's scratch that. Well, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You're going to get additional discounts on top of the 48-hour early bird. I got you 2 hours of additional discount for this, okay? So make sure you claim cookies. Grab from the link below so we can send you awesome bonuses. This is just the bonus from Joshua. So additional to that, you guys can look at it later. We're gonna give you another 56 of them down below. So you got a tremendous value here as always, right? So if you want to check out the sales letter, here it is. And if you want to check out the interview, here it is again. So here's the sales page, and here's the interview page. Okay, I mean not the interview. Interview page is right here. I'll flip it around. All right, so here's the interview page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let Joshua talk about exactly how this thing works and how it's going to really benefit you, and by getting this, you're basically going to save you tons of time, tons of energy, and get everything organized. So I'll be right back after Joshua talk about what this software does and how it's really going to help you, and then I'm going to go into the membership area and I'm going to show you a live desktop and talk about the installation process and what I like about it as well. Okay, all right, so stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and first off I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this demo video. I'm extremely excited to show you a demo video of Article Factory Pro. Article Factory Pro is the all-in-one solution that will allow you to create, post, and optimize the content for all of your websites inside of one central dashboard. And the best part is that we've made it extremely easy to use, so regardless of your experience level, you'll be able to easily download, install Article Factory Pro, and start managing all of your content for all of your websites inside of one central dashboard. And one thing before I switch over to my desktop to show you the demo video, I want you to understand that the offer that you see on this page is a limited time offer. So once you're done watching this video, you're going to want to make sure you take advantage of this offer so that you get the maximum amount of discount and the maximum value for Article Factory Pro. This offer will be coming down in the next few days, so you want to make sure you take advantage of it right after you're done watching this video. So again, thank you for watching this video. I know you're going to enjoy it, and be ready to be blown away by the power of Article Factory Pro. Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and I want to quickly walk you through the demo video for Article Factory Pro. The first thing you're going to notice over here to the top right hand side is that Article Factory Pro comes built in with 53,000 articles spread across 577 different categories that you can use across all of your websites at your leisure. Now we also have another option here, which is the spin and post, which will allow you to upload articles from your hard drive, or you can scrape content with the built-in content scraper that'll scrape content across the web. And we also have a free built-in spinner that will allow you to spin that content, or if you prefer, we have the best spinner and spin rewriter built in as well. One other very powerful feature as well is that you can manage all of your websites inside of Article Factory Pro. So this means you will no longer have to log into all of your websites one by one to post content, optimize that content, embed videos, add images, none of that stuff. You're going to be able to do all of that inside of Article Factory Pro. And here in the websites tab, you can add an unlimited amount of websites. All you have to do is click add website and enter all the information that you see here. Once you're done, you hit save, and you will now be able to post content to that site within Article Factory Pro. So for the purpose of this demo video, I'm going to go ahead and use this very first article that you see here. If I go ahead and hit the magnifying glass, I will now be taken to this screen where you can use the original article, use a spun ready article, or if you want to generate several different versions, you can just continue to hit unspin here on the bottom right corner, and it'll generate a new article here in the spun version box. So you can hit this an unlimited amount of times and get a different version every time. So this allows you to either use the original, use this spin text format article. So this is great if you're using backlinking tools and you need content in spun format, you can use this here. Or if you need a unique version every time, you can use the one down here. And once you're done picking which one you'd like to use, we can come here to post to WordPress, and the first thing you're going to do is select the website that you'd like to post to. You can select a category. So when you add your website to Article Factory Pro, it's going to pull all the categories into the software, and you'll be able to pick which one you want to post to. If you add a new one at any time, you just hit update category and it'll update the category list here. There's two different ways to post. You can post immediately by clicking instant, or you can schedule it by using this scheduler here in the drop down menu. The next thing you're going to do is enter your keyword, and once you're done doing that, you just hit next, and you're now going to be taken to the next page, which will basically walk you through all the optimization steps that you need to make sure your content is fully optimized. So over here to the right hand side, we built in a step-by-step optimizer that'll walk you through everything you need to do to your article to make sure it's fully optimized. So it's going to first off tell you that you don't have your keyword in the title, H1, H2, H3 tags, LSI keywords in the article, YouTube videos, image, inner link, high PR external link, and your silo structure, and the bold, italic, and underline within the article. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly start optimizing this content. I'm going to come over here and select my keyword. I'm going to quickly add it to the title. I'm going to add, and what you'll notice is that we've made this editor extremely easy to use. So if we want to add an H1 tag, we just select the text that we want to make the heading. We click this H1 button here. Let's say we want to make this a H2. We click H2. I'm going to go ahead and, just for example purposes, enter the keyword here, and I'm going to bold it. I'm going to enter it down here and italicize it. All right. I'm also going to go ahead and quickly add a YouTube video just by clicking the video tab here. All right, and the great thing is that you will never have to mess with any embed code when using Article Factory Pro. So you just select the one that you want, you come up here, select this video, and the video has been added successfully, and you can see that it's been added here. The next thing is we're going to go ahead and add some internal links. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and hyperlink this to Wikipedia. All right. And I'm also going to, for example purposes, interlink this text. And the way the interlink tab works is that it's going to take you to the website that you're trying to post on, and you can select. So let's say I want to link to this article here. I'll click in through this blog post and I'll hit link to this page, and as you can see, the link was automatically added here. If I want to go ahead and add an image to it, click here on the images tab, and we have several different options. It'll automatically Google search your keyword, and you can select images from here. You can select images from your PC by easily clicking that button, and you will be able to select pictures from your hard drive. Let's, for example purposes, click this one, view image, and then we'll click on select live image. Now what it's going to do right now, it's going to connect to the FTP of my site and upload it onto the FTP. But what I did was I purposely put the incorrect FTP because I was going to show you that tab, and I didn't want my FTP information to be out there. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop this for now, because it's not going to upload correctly because I haven't put in the correct FTP information. So what I'm going to do now is just hit check score, and you'll see just how improved the optimization of this article has now become. All right, so now we've jumped up from 0 to 67, and all the different ones that weren't completed have been completed. And if I just go ahead, this here says silo disabled an article. If I just click silo, this silo structure box, what Article Factory Pro will do is it will automatically go to your site, select the link of the last posted article, and automatically silo your site. So now that that's ticked on, if I check it again, the score will go up once again. All right, so it jumped up 10 points. Oh, and I accidentally clicked that again. But as you can see, we've made it extremely easy for you to come in here and automatically optimize your posts from inside Article Factory Pro. When you're done doing that, all you have to do is hit publish, and you are good to go. I'm not going to do that just because I want to continue showing you different features. If we come over here to the keywords tab, we can generate different LSI keywords. If I hit get, it's going to populate the LSI different keywords here, and it's also going to show different keywords down here, and it'll allow me to easily analyze the search volume and the CPC for these keywords, just so I can get an idea of what I want to use. And if I click on the ones that are on here, I will be I'll easily be able to add them to my content. So as you can see, I clicked on this keyword and it was automatically added here. If I come over here and I select this one, it'll automatically be added here. So we've made it very easy to also add LSI keywords to your content. So if we come back here and you'll see that it said no LSI in article. If we check the score again, it'll go up once again because we've now added a couple of LSI keywords. So as you can see now, our article is pretty much as optimized as we can get it. And if you want to know exactly how we calculate the SEO score, you can go ahead and click on this here. And this very last tab here, the content tab, will allow you to wrap these keywords in relevant text so that they're just not here on their own. Or you can manually type different content around this so that it's relevant information. So that's pretty much the entire Article Factory Pro software. You see how simple and easy we've made it. And I think the most powerful part about Article Factory Pro is that you can easily do this and manage all of your websites inside of Article Factory Pro, and you will no longer ever have to log in to any WordPress dashboard manually and post or optimize content within that. You can do all of that inside of Article Factory Pro, and it's all done automatically inside of one central dashboard. So that is it when it comes to Article Factory Pro. Make sure that you take advantage of this very special offer that you see on this page. The offer that you currently see right now won't be available for long. As soon as the timer that you see below this video hits 0, you will miss out on the possible discount. And just a few of the things that I want to touch on. If you come here and you hit right, you'll be able to just, without using the built-in content or any other content, you'll just be able to manually start typing content by just selecting the site that you want to post to, and it'll open up in the same screen we were on before, but you'll be able to just start typing content manually. All right. And orders, this is another powerful feature that we will start implementing soon, where you'll be able to easily order backlinking packages from our several different services. Here in the settings tab, you can enter your spin rewriter or the best spinner information and your Copyscape API if you have that as well. So again, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you take advantage of the special offer you see below this video, and we look forward to getting Article Factory Pro into your hands.
All right, I'm back, and as you're watching the walkthrough video, and you know, I think you really want to get this, and you know how powerful this is. This is really gonna save you tons of time, continuously have to creating that awesome content for your blog, for your own sites, or sometimes even for your video, because you can convert article into videos, right? So this is really have pretty much all the niches that's in there. You will see. I'm going to show you in a minute, as Josh already seen it, and it embeds videos, it embeds images, auto posts. Hey, it's pretty cool, right? Anyway, so they got a free spinner and it came with the software, and they got the pro version that we have to pay the subscription service fee, like Spin Rewrite, or that service building best spinner, the leading two spinner rewriter in the marketplace and building as well. So you're gonna absolutely love that. And so let's go check out the membership area. So this is what the membership area looks like, and this is the intro video, and this is where you're gonna download it. And if you got the silo upsell, that's where you download that as well. All right, so and then here's the training for the how to using the software, right? It's all down here, about 5, 6, 6 of them. All right, clearly state. And by the way, there is a link inside your software. Does that page too. And here's the more bonus in this page. Make sure you stop by, grab them, and join his Facebook group. Okay. So in a nutshell, this is very simple and easy. A membership we have to grab, right? So it's built by I think it's built by OP2. All right, Optum Press 2. All right, if I had to guess, because this looks like it. Okay. All right, so right now I am trying to find the software. All right, so here's the software, what it looks like on your desktop once you install it. All right, it does take 110 megabytes, your desktop space. I assume is kind of store all the articles. Okay, it's a database. All right. In fact, when you're trying to install this software, the first thing they're gonna ask you to do is install the NetFrame 4.0 and also SQL database. Okay, it's all in the installation process. Once that's installed, then the program is installed. However, if this is the first time you install it, you are going to trigger some kind of virus warning, okay? Because this thing actually locks into the WordPress site. Usually, software like this trying to trigger any kind of web interactions, and if it's not registered software in the antivirus software database, you're going to trigger that. So just whitelist the software. And there's no virus in that. It's just false alarm, okay? All right, so make sure you whitelist software, whitelist the folders that it's installed in. You should be good to go. All right, so obviously this is where you find all kinds of different you know, niches and different articles that's in here. So you're gonna find all this. It's loading because there's a lot in here. It's fairly quick, by the way. I'm very impressed, because you click on it and something happens. You know, you go here. So just pick a random one. So this is the next page. All right. So this is where you're kind of writing and post to your sites. So Joshua has basically went to exactly how this works. So I'm not gonna go through it again, but here's the silo monster, where you can silo your structures inside your website automatically. You know, make sure your website structured correctly. You have the main keywords, and then you have the sub keywords, and then you have sub keywords. It just automatically does for you. And here's where you're gonna input all the login information for the WordPress site, and the FTP access for store images. It's all in here. This is what you need to do. And the rest of the stuff, it's just for spinners and all that great stuff. So since Joshua kind of went over all this, you guys, it's really easy to use. And if you want to go to the tutorial, here it is again. For your convenience, right here, and check it out. It's really fast program to open it up and get it running. So it's really fast to load too as well. Yeah, so once you read that virus thing, it should come right up. So but yeah, so this is exactly what it looks like, and this is kind of what you're gonna be expecting. All right, so it does take 110 megabytes because it is a database that's stored on your hard drive. Okay. All right, so make sure you have enough space, okay? All right, so this is for Windows only, but hey, if you want Mac, just run a parallel, you'll be fine. All right, so just want to keep this thing short, and make sure you go there, grab the early bird price. So at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you watch this and make sure you go there at the 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you can make sure you grab it at absolutely the lowest possible price so you can get all kinds of bonuses. Again, this is your friend Han, and thanks for watching. Make sure, again, claim your cookies, grab from the link below so we can send you all kinds of bonuses. Until next time, please keep smiling, and I'll be talking to you very, very soon. Cheers!